break. 219, 219. Hello.
How you doing?
Hey, all right. I heard you say Salt Lake City. I'm near San Francisco here. Just want to say hi.
Oh, nice. Yeah, San Francisco, man. This is great. I love this. It's shady this towards this time of year. Yeah, Darren, I'm just standing right at Salt Lake City on the west side.
Right on, man. Yeah, it's making a good trip. It's definitely off and on. On 38, it's coming on a little bit too, but I thought I'd drop down a little bit. Here's some non-locals, you know what I mean? I'm on the YouTube channel here. It's Macintosh 219 CB Radio.
Yeah, we spoke before. I also go like Needle Bender World Radio 99.
Oh, right on, man. World Radio 99. I have to put you in the books there. Awesome, man. I don't know if you were talking to someone. Just want to say hi. I'll be on the side. 219 Macintosh.
No, I just talking to my buddy. He's on the east side. Go ahead, Mike. Yeah, it's only me. No worries, bro. I'm over here on the east side of the Salt Lake Valley with a clear shot out towards the west coast. I'm not 12 watts, so, nothing big over here.
Oh, Roger, 12 watts, huh? Well, you're still coming in at 3 there, 3 on my 60, and I could hear you pretty good.
Yeah, cool deal. I'm just running an old 142 GTL, and we'll find a ground plane that's like 25, 30 feet off the ground.
Oh, Roger on the ground plane there. Oh, 12 watts, man. You're doing great there. Awesome. I'll post this on the YouTube channel later. Macintosh 219 on the site. Check. It was 390 Dragon Master, I believe. Oh, Wagon Master. Right on, man. Awesome. Very good. Thanks, guys. I'll be on the side. Macintosh 219 on YouTube. Peace out.
You also have a video. You should check out some of Wagon Master's videos. The Wagon Master 390. Definitely way worth your time. All right, my friend, we'll catch you on the way. Needle Bender 99, somewhere right around the west side of Salt Lake City. Have a good evening.
Check, Mr. Needle Bender 99. Slamming out here in the Bay Area, man. 219 Macintosh. All right. No, I'll follow your lead. Alright, I'm gonna get back into the porch here. There's some people out there that are calling for you, Darren. So get back to 390. Oh, no, they're calling for you, Wagon Master. That would be me saying 99 on the side listening. I left you know the elevation thing we got going down, and that's so cool up there. It works so well. You gentlemen ever go to 38 there? I'm sure you do, huh? Hey, 99, you still there?
Yes, go ahead.
You want to go to 38? I think my buddy 184 would want to talk to you.
Yeah, if you'd like to, you want to travel up to 3 o'clock for lunch?
Sure, yeah, he likes that stuff. Oh, I could tell him to come down here. Let me see if he's talking.
Come back. All right, we're heading up to 385. Gone.
Oh, sweet. Hey, 184, you still there?
Oh, yeah, man. I tell you about this station. It's really rocking right now. There's a lot of loud ones out there.
Oh, yeah, Roger, you're fast, man. I don't know where 184 went, though.
You know what? I got these two guys out there talking. I can't hear you very well at all. They're just too strong.
Oh, Roger. Okay, man. No problem. You can go back to 3.6. You got a lot of local traffic there, huh?
Yeah, hey man, I get travel back down.
Check. Thanks, man.
Like last week, so I'll be catch you on 365. If you're trying to go down there, 365. I'll talk to you a little bit better down there.
Yeah, Roger, man. 99. Thanks, man. I'll tell him to go down there if he comes by. Right on. 219, San Francisco.
Okay, yeah, I'm traveling back down to 365. Who are you talking to there, Mac?
Mr. 99 from Salt Lake City. I was trying to get him to say hi to you. I brought him up from 365.
Oh, for Pete's sakes. Okay, yeah, that's great, man. Are you on the xiegu?
Yeah. He said he had a lot of local chatter though. So if you wanna, you know him then, 99. If so, he's on 365 now.
Oh yeah. You know him too. What was I gonna say? For Pete's sakes, but 460 may come back up here too. He went down to hear the roll call. You got number 7 tonight, dude. You did good.
Oh, sweet, man. Yeah, awesome. That's great.
Yeah, and 1220 you got number 8.
Oh.
That's 6.
Yeah, 1220 was loud today. He must have been like right near me.
He's in that mobile. He gets around. Yeah, you know, he's a true operator. Him and Six Stringer are both going places just like you.
Oh, I don't know.
No. We've talked. 938 and I have talked about it. You know, I mean, he stuck with it. You know, Six Stringer took a reprieve for a bit, but he's back.
Yeah, right.
We want to hear it. I'm just hoping my homeboy 090 comes back.
Oh, I just realized you're on the ICOM, huh?
No, I'm not.
What? You're too on frequency, man. Better do something.
Well, that'll never happen again, don't worry.
Was that 090 or 191? 0190.
He said 019. Maybe he means 219. Okay, I stand corrected. I'm sorry. Where are you at today? You're in Nevada, or are you talking to somebody in Nevada? Where are you? Okay, no, I'm in San Francisco, and you're in Colorado, and Macintosh is in San Francisco also. And 306 is in Colorado. Now, who's on first? Yeah, I don't know. The first time I've turned it up, this is the high side of my drive. This is the best I can do from the San Francisco Bay. My neighbors left, and I'm just, what they say, when the cat is away, the mice will play. This is kind of the best I can do right now down here in Denver, so, you know.
You just turned on my sink.
Say it again, Mac. I'm sorry, I doubled.
You just turned on my faucet.
We were just talking about a guy. He sold me this linear, and the reason was every time he keyed down, his neighbor across the street had an automatic faucet. When you put your hand under it, you know, it'll start, putting the water. And every time he keyed down, it would just start squirting water. Yeah, we're about 10 miles apart. You're not going to squirt his water. No, probably not.
That's pretty good, Skip. So I got Salt Lake City. This is Denver now. Nice.
And don't forget, we had Yosemite coming in earlier with Quad 4.
Yeah, Roger.
This is a good hobby.
Yeah, I got into it just in time.
And to think about it, I almost gave it up to become an evaluator for strip clubs.
For strip clubs. Ah.
Yeah, I had 800 one $1 bills, so I was ready to go check it out.
Oh man, you can still do it, tell him. What was that, bud?
Okay, it got crowded there. 306 is still coming in from Colorado. You're hearing him, right?
Yeah, 306, we got you. 219 here. Whatever, I doubled. You're on your, shoot, what's the name of your radio?
It starts with a C and it talks about a reptile.
The Cobra, right? You can't see the waterfall then.
That's correct. I got no waterfall privileges here.
God damn it, man. You can't stay away from this radio, can you?
Well, here's the thing, you know, my ICOM, puts out like 5 or 6 watts on sideband. But with the Cobra, it'll go up to 19 watts. When I whistle into it, so it pushes the linear a lot harder, so I get a little more.
Yeah, I know you're married to the Cobra, but you go back. No, it should be the other way around. You cheat on the Cobra with the fancy schmancy ICOM, huh?
No, I really like this new 705. Like I was telling Todd earlier, I mean, I can literally hear a fly in Argentina. The guy in the Philippines, I don't know if you would have heard him. Maybe you would have. But, I mean, this radio just filters, that ICOM 705 filters it out and brings it in. It is the boss when it comes to ears.
Yeah, I need to get a ham antenna one of these years. Because I don't know who I was talking to, but they're like, yeah, your Antron's not going to pick up all those ham bands.
Well, that's BS. It'll pick them all up.
Really?
Yep. It will.
I thought you were agreeing with him. Who the hell was that anyway?
No, I can listen on my 11-meter antenna. I can listen to 20 meters, anything I want.
Really? On your vertical?
Yeah, I can, or my beam, either way. I can also listen to AM radio on my 11-meter beam.
Oh, and you're using your tuner though, right?
No, listening is easy. To talk on them is different.
Oh, Roger, okay.
You could probably get 10 meters with your tuner. I'm just going to guess. I don't know.
Oh yeah, 10 meters is no problem, really. It's the other ones I'm worried about.
Yeah, I don't think I would try that.
Oh, what time is it? Hi guys, please like and subscribe.
See you in a bit.